Hi, I'm Bassam, Chief Business Development Officer at Guardarian. I have been in crypto for the past 4 years, fully focused on building partnership, growing ecosystem, and delivering solutions that bridge traditional financing with the Web3 word. When it comes to choosing an on-ramp, off-ramp service, the users mainly want something that's simple, fast, and trustworthy. And that's exactly what Guardarian delivers. Let's start with the basics. People care a lot about pricing. They don't want surprises or hidden fees. We keep things transparent and competitive, which help build long-term trust, especially for platforms that want reliable partners to scale with. Then there is convenience, and that's a big one. We support over 50 fiat currencies and serve users across 150 countries and regions. But more importantly, we offer local payment methods that users actually prefer. Now, something that's often overlooked but incredibly important is asset chain coverage. All this is built on solid compliant foundation. We take regulations seriously, but we don't allow that to slow the user experience down. So really, users choose Guardarian because we combine fast service, local convenience, wide asset coverage, and transparent pricing, all in one seamless platform. And that's what makes us stand out. What we're seeing with CoinEx is really impressive growth when it comes to on-ramp and off-ramp volumes. More users are choosing CoinEx, not just for trading, but as their main gateway into and out of crypto. And that reflects the strong level of trust in the platform. As CoinEx continue to onboard more users globally, our infrastructure supports this growth by constantly adding new payment rails and alternative payment methods. This kind of partnership is more than just integration. It's a joint effort to lower the barrier to the crypto adoption. And it's especially important now, as we're seeing growing demand not just from retail users, but also from OTC side of the market. These are clients who needs fast, compliant, high-volume solutions, whether it's institutional buyer, crypto companies, or high-net-worth individuals. And with CoinEx growth and Guardarian infrastructure, we're able to serve both sides of that market effectively. I'd say the overall user experience with CoinEx is really impressive, and it's clear that they have taken deliberate steps to make the journey from fiat to crypto and back as smooth as possible. The onboarding flow is quick and intuitive, from verification to KYC. Everything is well structured, and once the users are verified, they can on-ramp and off-ramp with just a few clicks. Now they are seeing more interest in the actual using crypto for payments, staking, DeFi, gaming, NFT, or to access specific ecosystem. Tokens like Ethereum, Solana, and Ton are being valued more for their ecosystem and the power, not just for the price charts. We're also seeing a strong crypto movement toward self-custody and decentralization. There are growing demands for platforms and services that enable these things, like MPC wallets, DEX accesses, and non-custodial infrastructure, and all the gaining traction. And finally, cross-chain swaps. It's becoming the norm. Users care less about which chain a token lives on. They are more about how easy they can access and swap it. So overall, it's clear that users are maturing. They are looking for real use cases, easy access, and platforms that they can trust. That's a great question. When we look at impact of third-party prepaid card products on our business, we need to consider how users are interacting with crypto today. Now, crypto cards, whether it's prepaid or used card style, are definitely exciting. They bring utility, real-world usability, and familiarity that appeals to crypto-native users. So yes, while our main focus remains on on-ramping new users efficiently and securely, we're definitely keeping an eye on the future of planning ways to make off-ramp and spending just as smooth. Looking ahead, we're genuinely excited about deepening our collaboration with CoinEx. What we built so far is just the beginning, and there's a lot of potential to grow with this partnership in a way that brings real value to both sides and, more importantly, to the user. One natural next step would be making Guardarian the default on-ramp and off-ramp provider for CoinEx users. We're already providing seamless fiat to crypto flow and fast KYC and user-friendly interface, but we can do even more together. Beyond that, we see opportunities to collaborate on localized campaign, educational content, or even joint loyalty programs, all aimed to boost user trust, retention, and adoption. At the end of the day, we both want the same things: to make the journey into crypto simple, safe, and accessible.